I've got these amazing knives. This is the Super Gao 161 layer Santoku knife. I want to show you this, show you what this knife's all about. Wow, very, very nice. Look at those layers in there. Beautiful polished edge, and layers are really, really sweet. I like it. I love the handle. I love the balance. Love the feel. A few people have said, well, what do you mean about balance? Well, some knives are really heavy up front, really heavy in the back. A really good knife like this, I can go one finger right about there. Just depends what your knife is all about. Then you can move it around comfortably, and wow, it's got a nice balance. Quick brunoise for you. I'm going to move in on this apple here a little bit and show you what something like this can do. It's just so easy, so consistent. Line them up, go exactly with what you're looking for. We better save this little bit right here as another little garnish. It's pretty cool. And the brunoise, you just line them up like this, and using the rocking method, it's very, very small dice. Brunoise is 1/8 by 1/8 by 1/8 inch approximately. Every now and then you miss one, so you got to go back, but anyway, that's pretty nice looking brunoise right there. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right there. A little bit off camera, there we go. So it's a beautiful garnish. You can use this for a lot of different things. Today I'm just showing the knife, messing around a little bit, so that's the entire garnish I got for you right there, but it's pretty cool. I like it. So check it out. More reviews are on the site. Super knife, super cutting board, and all the quality tools right there. ChefDepot.com. Have a great day. 2, 4, 8 layers.